talk about how can you send free rates on your bread app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on promotions here, you just click on it. So when you just click on promotions, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on send free rates here. So then here, when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list here to send it to your friends and another apps on your bread app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.